So I think the whole story started yesterday. Yesterday, around 3 men came where I stay, and they had to question my landlady. They said, no, there's a guy who defrauded the bank, so we're looking for him. So when I got home, she told me that story, but already I was, starting, my instinct was just telling me something is wrong. So the past weeks, actually, there's an article that had been written claiming that we're planning something, we're doing something, we want to burn tires and destroy the country. So I just knew that, sometimes when the goat wants to eat you, it doesn't just eat you, it starts by accusing you to look like grass. So I knew that this is the exact moment that the state is looking after for me, and the level of state surveillance had been high. So I woke up thinking I would be at Parliament, so I actually had to dress up and leave the house. So when I left the house, I saw around 6 cars, but they were just moving in a very funny way, but only one car had the guts to come like close to where I was. It was a white Fortuner, and it had no plates. So the very funny thing that happened that moment was that, I just told myself, no, if they wanted to ask for directions, they would have at least waited, but they were not, they didn't wait. They just opened the front door, like the passenger door, and I knew that everything was wrong. So I started running, but already there was someone who had come to pick me up, because the plan was that I would meet with Honorable Joanna so that we at least go to Parliament together for the pre-budget seminar for 2024. So when I rushed to the car, I went inside the car, and the driver just told me, I know, can you just, leave? So I was just confused, but I thought, no, let me rush, because next to where I was, there's a security company called Strike. So these guys then followed with that white Fortuner, and they had balaclavas, face, never mask. They were around 6. Then the 6 cars were strategically positioned, but at Mama streets, then Abuda ne 40. I think there were around 6 guns. So Abuda 40, to me, I just said, no, I need to, I need to fight for a moment. So I told myself, no, let me take out my phone. So I took my phone out, tabuditsa phone, she ended up on Facebook. I did the live, but I was not so sure what I say Abuda, because but also these guys with security company, I tried everything. I kuramba upinda motor, and like I say, but they were just looking. So kusvika point ndapinda motor ndikaiswa cuffs, so vandisunga maoko, vandisunga kumakumbo, ndobva vandipfekedza saga. So after they had to put my head in a sack, I didn't know where we were going. I didn't know where they were taking me. All I could hear were sounds of guns, passing, I put a knife in my injections,